Good morning, students. This is the video for class 9th, subject chemistry, and science code is 086. Now students, today I will explain you what is the July month course, right, in chemistry. So July month course is chapter 2nd is matter around us pure. Okay, so this is your July month course and this is the first part of this chapter. Okay, so let's start our second chapter, that is matter around us pure. So in previous class you have already studied that what is a matter. Okay, already you have studied that what is a matter. So matter, anything which occupies space and have mass, that is called the matter. Okay, now students, here page numbers students 14 and 15, and first I am going to tell you that when you are going to a general store, so you can ask that what is a pure substance, right? So pure substance, that means for a common person, pure substance is that which contains no impurities or contamination, right? You will say to the shopkeeper that give me the pure ghee, pure atta, pure milk. Similarly, you will say that pure honey also. So, but students, these are pure substances? In the context of chemistry, pure substance which contains a single form of matter, right? Which contains a single form of matter, that is a pure substance. Okay, a sample of pure containing only single kind of matter is called a pure substance, right? Now I am telling you the outline classification of this chapter. What we have to study in this chapter in the whole flow chart, that you have to draw it in your chemistry copy also. So look at here, matter can be classified into the two types, that is pure substance and mixtures, right? The pure substance I explain you. Now what is a mixture? Mixture means something is added, right? Or a sample containing two or more substances, that is called the mixture, right? Okay, now in pure substances, again classified into the two types, that is elements and compound. elements and compound. Right? Now, elements can be classified, means that contains single substance. The elements can be classified into the three kinds, that is metals, non-metals and metalloids. Metals, non-metals and metalloids. Right? Metals, non-metals and metalloids. Now, metals, non-metals and metalloids. Now in compounds you can study about the organic and the inorganic substance. Organic and inorganic. Right? Now in the mixtures can be of the two types, that mixtures, that is a heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous and homogeneous. Right? Now in homogeneous mixture you will study about the homogeneous mixture, that means a solution. Solution, the properties of solution and the examples, everything you can study. Now in heterogeneous mixture, you can study about the colloids and the suspension. Colloids and suspension. Then you can study about the physical and the chemical changes. Okay, physical and the chemical changes. Right, students? And the metals, non-metals and metalloids, these you can study. Okay, so this is the whole classification of the matter. So that much you can study in this chapter. And then one activity is given in your book, page number 14, activity 2.9. Here you can take the 4 beakers and mark it A, B, C and D. In group A you can add 50 ml of water, okay, and 1 spatula of copper sulfate powder. Then in group B takes 50 ml of water and 2 spatula of copper sulfate powder. In group C and D you can add amounts of copper sulfate and potassium permanganate or common salt. Now just shake it well and forms a solution. So after you can observe group A and B have obtained a mixture which has a uniform composition throughout. So these are the homogeneous mixture. And group C and D have obtained mixtures which contain physically different compositions or non-uniform. So that mixtures are known as the heterogeneous mixture. Okay. So that I will explain you furthermore. So students, let's start with the types of mixtures. That is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay. So by the activity you can observe that in group A and B, where you have taken the 50 ml of water and 1 spatula of copper sulfate in group A, and in group B you can take 2 spatula of copper sulfate and 50 ml of water. After that you can observe that these mixtures has a uniform composition throughout. Like for example, you will take water and sugar or water and salt, right? So when you are making the this mixture, you will observe that it is totally dissolved. The particles of salt is mixed, intermingled with the water, right? So it means they have a uniform composition. Okay, they have a uniform composition. So these mixtures are called the heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, they are non-uniform composition and homogeneous uniform composition. Okay. Another example I will tell you about the air is a mixture of, that is a homogeneous tap water and rain water, vinegar, vegetable oil. So these are the homogeneous mixture. And in heterogeneous mixture does not have uniform composition. That means a heterogeneous mixture is made up of visibly different substances that is physically separated. Now, like for example, sand and water. So you can separate that. Chalk powder added to water. Okay. Mixture of sand and water that I have told you. So these are the important points of mixtures, heterogeneous and homogeneous mixture. So that much today you can just go through this flow chart. You can draw it in your copy. Okay, friends. Thank you so much to all of you.